Thousands of Venezuelans in the U.S. are anxiously waiting as a district judge will rule the future of their temporary protected status, also named as TPS. The decision could impact nearly 600,000 people. Caplin News reporter Stephanie Tenia has more on this story.
The Trump administration worked towards ending temporary protected status (TPS) for Venezuelans. Now, a federal judge is deciding the future of TPS for nearly 600,000 Venezuelans in the U.S. The case has sparked intense debate as the protections are set to end this year.
Did something with respect to Venezuela. You heard about that.
The plans to terminate TPS protection for Venezuelans is setting up a legal battle that's now playing out in court. If the policy stands, nearly 600,000 Venezuelans could lose their legal status and face deportation as early as April, with a second wave of removal expected in September. In court, they argue that Venezuela remains unsafe and that removing TPS will not only separate families, but also impact the U.S. economy in a negative way.
Certidumbre absoluta.
It's a moment of deep uncertainty and fear. People don't know whether to leave, stay, or where to go because for many, returning to Venezuela is not an option. The idea that Venezuela has improved keeps being pushed, and now the Trump administration suggests the same in its TPS termination document. But the reality is different.
The defense presented a strong case yesterday, emphasizing that Venezuelans under TPS contribute significantly to the U.S. economy.
Venezuelans abroad, especially those in the United States, are calling on Venezuelan authorities and the federal administration to review TPS cases individually. We acknowledge that some Venezuelans have come here with bad intentions, but there are also millions of us who work honestly and contribute to society.
As the legal battle continues, U.S. District Judge Edward Chen will decide in the coming days whether the U.S. government's decision to terminate TPS for Venezuelans will proceed or be temporarily halted. As the final ruling approaches, the fate of TPS for Venezuelans hangs in balance. Immigrant rights groups, advocates, and the Venezuelan community awaits the decision that could impact hundreds of thousands of lives. Reporting for Caplin News, I'm Stephanie Tenia.